This is not a small cabin, and neither is it a vehicle container. It is actually a large factory in Peshawar, where electric vehicles are being assembled. We often see handmade products being made in small workshops here. But today, let's take a look at how much improvement has been made in the production of electric vehicles by a large company. Although electric vehicles are still rarely seen on the streets and roads of Peshawar, and their total sales are much lower compared to motorcycles, with the growing trend of energy saving and environmental protection, along with the changing mindset of the youth, this company has decided to secure its place in the market early. After the wiring is completed, the assembly process begins. First, the shock absorbers and wheels are installed on the vehicle frame. Then they are connected together to form a fork-like structure. After that, the rear wheel is installed and the nuts and bolts are tightly fixed using electric tools. As for the front wheel, it is already connected with the front fork, so the workers only need to insert the steering rod into the frame and tighten the ball bearings and nuts to properly secure the front fork. After checking whether everything rotates smoothly, the handlebar is installed. Of course, brake calipers are also essential for the wheels. It can be seen that the wheel quality is quite good. They are equipped with standard 3.0 to 10-inch tires and both front and rear braking systems. After this, 3 wires are connected to install a loud horn and an anti-theft system. At this point, the main structure of the electric vehicle is complete. Now comes the battery installation. It is clear that this is not an old lead-acid battery, but a lithium battery pack. Its capacity is about 2.3 kilowatt-hours, so a good driving range is expected. With skilled hands, the workers carefully connect the meter and remaining wiring and fit them under the dashboard. Now only one final step remains to turn this electric vehicle into a beautiful finished product: installing the body cover. Since this is a large company, all necessary parts are already prepared. From the outside, this work may look difficult, but in reality, it is quite simple. The workers just fit the parts in the correct places and tighten the screws. When the front headlight cover is installed and the vehicle starts properly during testing, this beautiful electric vehicle becomes fully ready. On Fix It Like a Pro Garage, we bring you closer to such amazing engineering and assembly processes. And if someone buys this vehicle for around 2,000 rupees, down payment or booking, and drives it on the road, believe me, it would be one of the most eye-catching vehicles on the street.